Cynthia with AQ Lighting and Brian. We are here to show you today the Italian Pendant, and this is just a magnificent fixture. We're going to show you how to install it, and we're going to show you the applications, or actually tell you about the different applications that this goes in, because it's pretty spectacular. So go ahead and get us started. What do you have out here?
Well, we just kind of pulled all the contents out of the box here. I can start with the, you want to start shaving?
Start with the shade.
Okay, so this is our raw aluminum. It does come in other colors.
We've got a bronze, which is sort of a rustic brown. This aluminum falls into the chrome category or stainless steel. It has that feel to it. Of course, we've got black and white, and then we have a robin's egg blue. So you do have a variety of choices there. This, 16 inches.
About 16 inches,
Yeah.
exactly. Okay, so this is your shade. This is the glass diffuser. We have clips that hold the glass diffuser up to it. And we were talking earlier,
Okay.
feel free not to use it. You don't have to use the glass diffuser.
If you, if you have an LED Edison bulb, you're gonna wanna see it. So it depends on the application. If you don't want to see the bulb, and the diffuser will remove it from any kind of visual.
Okay, these are the clips that will support that. We'll show you eventually here. Okay, this is the canopy, mount to your ceiling. You have your chain.
Heavy
wire.
duty.
Yes.
So what's the length of this chain?
This is around 50,
this is
it's supposed to
heavy.
be around 57 inches approximately. I think we put a tape measure on it
Yep.
for you to get the exact dimension. This is your canopy right there. It's very heavy duty. This is a socket that many people may not know what that is. If you guys can see that.
So that is a GU24, and it meets Title 24 code. So if that's not something you need, we have an adapter which has a medium base socket, and a medium base socket takes any household bulb. So for commercial applications, for warehouses, restaurants, bars, they will want the GU24.
Absolutely.
For your household, for kitchens, peninsulas, islands, offices, even your home office, you could easily switch it and you have a variety of lamps to pick from.
Absolutely. So, all right. So let's. We're gonna get to this. We're gonna go ahead and actually install this.
I'm going to show you.
So the first thing that we had to do is we were up on the ladder, holding it up, trying to determine what height we wanted. So we've already determined. But so just to show you guys, we're gonna start right on the canopy. It does have. It kind of has almost two yokes. Pull out the side screws here.
And this canopy and this piece here, which attaches, has more of a galvanized finish. So you sort of, it pulls in an industrial chic application. So although this finish is nice and refined, it's a beautiful mix.
Absolutely. Okay, so here's your yoke. Because it is two-piece, you don't always have to use both of them. This one here, if you had, I think, a 3.5-inch box, you definitely need to use it. This works just perfectly fine with just a regular 3.0. And that's what we have up here. So I'm going to just use this piece here. So we'll get this.
So you have the flexibility. It comes with both.
Have the flexibility. We're going to mount this first. But once you at home have determined how long you want your chain, you need to go ahead and remove the excess chain.
Oh,
so
sure.
You can grab a hold of these links, or each link is split. So you can grab a hold of the link with a pair of pliers, and you can work that off with a screwdriver or 2 sets of pliers. I will tell you, this is actually heavy duty chain. I've done plenty of pendants, and most of the time you can use two pair of pliers and they've been super easy. This is not. These are heavy duty. That gives it the industrial look, and that's why.
And it also is why it's good for warehouses too. So even though it's beautiful, it's still good for a warehouse.
So you may have to work that off with a screwdriver or a couple pair of pliers.
Yeah.
So that would be your step one. Is go ahead and get that chain to length. It's just so you know, if the chain does come off from both ends, there's your there comes off right here as well. Once you do the chain, you need to shorten your wire. Okay, I want to show you guys this.
Yeah.
This is a very common
Good to
question.
get up and close.
A lot of people have this question, like, can I shorten the wire? Can I shorten the chain? Absolutely. So to shorten the wire, just loosen this screw. This clip is the only thing that's securing it. So you loosen that screw, you'll be able to pull that cord out of there and make it as short as you want. Once you do that, cut off the excess, strip your wires, you're ready to go. So I'm going to leave this down here. And I'll show you, we've already done this one.
Yeah, it's like a cooking show. It's
Yeah,
pre-made.
Pre-made. So we've shortened
That's the length that we would like it.
shortened the chain, shortened the cable. So this guy
I
is
can
ready
hand
to
it
go.
to you.
So yeah, I'll give you that. I'm gonna take this with me. So the first thing you're gonna do, obviously, shut off your power. Hit that breaker.
Safety first.
That's right, safety first. So let's mount this. Let's see here. This is a good reason too, sometimes to use that yoke. If you didn't like to where your holes lined up, use the yoke.
Oh, the
spin
yoke
around.
that gives you, oh yeah.
So it gives you a little bit
Your
of
placement.
Yes. So
You can move around with the placement. That's
Yeah.
good.
I think this gun goes to sleep, doesn't it? That's what it does. Okay, that's the yoke is
Yeah.
ready to go.
Solid.
I will trade you.
Alright. And with a gun.
And if you could actually hand me
Do you need
the wire nuts.
Yeah. So all of these are inclusive. When you purchase the Italian pendant.
Okay. I'll take
You
three
want
of them.
three of them?
Okay,
Okay.
really easy. We'll start with the ground wire.
Yes, we always start with the ground wire. That's another little safety
You
tip.
know what? I didn't strip these wires. You'd hand me the wire strippers right there. The next thing is, these are stranded wires. We've probably mentioned it many times, but with a stranded wire, you can strip them a little bit longer, and when you put it onto the solid core wire, you go my neutral next. When you do it, you extend the stranded cord farther out, so that when you put the wire nut on, it hits the stranded the stranded wire first, and then that will help secure it to the solid core wire better. You know what? I don't like how long it is. We're gonna give that a little trim. They're very small wire nuts, so I don't want too much length on that. Okay. And then we'll do the final wire. Let's cut that. Once I'm done with this, we'll go ahead and just stuff the wires up, and we will install the canopy. Cynthia, do you see did I leave the two small screws down there
Yes.
to mount the canopy? If you can grab those for me.
Always have an assistant. It's very helpful.
Extremely. Okay.
Is that these guys? Make sure I give you the right
Yep,
ones.
those are
Okay.
the ones right there. And I did bring a screwdriver.
Is that better than the gun?
Yes, in this case it would be, just because I'm so close to the ceiling,
Oh,
the
okay.
actual screwdriver would be a little better. That one's on.
Do you have a screwdriver up there?
I do have one.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Now it's just a matter.
Boy, that looks sharp. That looks pretty darn easy.
Okay.
Okay, so, alright. We have an LED puck. Do you want to do the puck first?
Good show. Okay. So that already has a GU24 base. That would be very easy. Just snaps on, done deal. Okay,
Yeah.
that's your cool. This is a warm white puck, 800 lumens, fully dimmable. These guys, these are really probably our most common. So a lot of people are trying to get more light out of them, and this is like an A21. It's about 150 watt equivalent.
So he's got the adapter up on there, otherwise it's just a strong LED lamp.
Yes.
Bulb.
So that's basically, line them up, that's it right there. Just
So
a
the adapter
small twist.
changes it.
Okay.
Alright.
So to finish the install though, just remove this collar. Okay, you leave this one on there, and then we'll bring that in. Bring in the shade. And then we need the clips.
So very few pieces to get something this elaborate, actually.
And at this point, I think you can even leave the clips on or off. If you want to do an Edison bulb,
Right.
you could go Edison bulb with the clips on, Edison bulb
Exactly.
without the clips, whatever look that you want.
I think the clips look pretty great, actually.
That's
I
what
like
I
that.
think.
I think the clips look finished, whether you use the diffuser or not. Ooh, this is heavy.
That is definitely a tempered glass diffuser, fully
Okay,
frosted.
so this is tempered glass. This is not plastic at all. That is beautiful.
So we bring the lip side up into the light. You can snap them.
How do I?
Go like that and then pull back. There
Oh,
you go.
yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
I can do that.
That's it. Pull back a little bit. There you go.
Okay, that's fantastic. That is beautiful. I think we sell thousands of these, and now that you can see how easy it is to install, it's beautiful. It'll work for any application.
Beautiful light, and they are definitely everywhere. I have calls from all over this country. These things are going in a lot of buildings, a lot of places.
So we look forward to hearing from you on where you would install it. If it would be a home office or your regular office or kitchen or restaurant, lots of restaurants, because you have the ability to get as much light output as you want or as little, depending on what you're using it for.
Okay.
Lastly,
So,
Free Fixture Friday. Share with us, share the video, and on Free Fixture Friday, we give you the fixture that we are featuring. So stay tuned tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be unique. We're at 1 p.m. every day, Monday through Friday, except for tomorrow. We're going to do a 9 a.m. Free Fixture Friday. So stay with us. If it's a rebroadcast, as long as it's Fridays, if you publicly share it, you'll still get a fixture.
that'll do it. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.